In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to submit product ideas and feature requests in Smartsheet so you can share feedback and help improve the platform. First, open your web browser and head to the Smartsheet community website. If you don't already have an account, sign in or create one to access the community features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the product ideas or feature requests section. This is where users can submit suggestions and discuss potential improvements. Next, click the option to create a new idea or request. Enter a clear title and provide details about the feature you'd like to see, including how it would improve your workflow. Before submitting, it's also a good idea to search existing requests. If someone has already suggested the same feature, you can simply upvote it to show your support. After reviewing your submission, click Post or Submit to publish your idea to the community. That's it. You've successfully submitted a product idea or feature request in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.